For a natural, flawless face in just a few minutes, count on our CoverGirl True Blend collection. First, apply a small amount of True Blend primer for either dry, oily, or combination skin. Featured here is True Blend for dry skin. Dab on the forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin with your hands. For a flawless finish, apply your shade of True Blend foundation to the forehead, cheeks, chin, and nose. Blend evenly with a brush or sponge. Next, gently draw fixed-tip concealer under the eye and on the eyelid, blending with your finger. For added shape, brush bronzer under the cheekbone, temples, and around the hairline. Next, apply True Blend blush to the cheek, sweeping up from the apples of your cheeks. Find your natural, flawless face with True Blend. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
We all have barriers. Barriers between our real selves and the best possible version of ourselves. My barrier is my shyness. My self-doubt can eat me up inside, consuming every ounce of who I really am until all that's left is fear. These barriers seem to hold us back, keeping us from moving forward and realizing our full potential. But these barriers are actually the very things that allow us to blossom into who we were always meant to be. My barrier has allowed me to become the person I am today. Without my shyness, I would have never turned to creating makeup videos alone in my bedroom to somehow connect with other people. Without my shyness, I would have never discovered my passion for makeup and filmmaking or known the pure joy of connecting with thousands of people around the world. My shyness may have kept me from becoming some other perfect version of myself, but without it, I could have never become this me, this beautiful,